From smart home upgrades to creative tools and travel essentials, this collection highlights innovative products designed to simplify routines and elevate everyday living. Whether you're organizing your space, enhancing security, or adding fun to leisure moments, each pick blends practicality, modern design, and real-world usefulness. All products links in the description section below. After highlighting tools that simplify daily routines, this digital wall clock feels like a natural next step for modern living. Its large, crystal-clear display makes checking the time effortless from across the room, whether you're cooking, studying, or working out. The adjustable RGB lighting subtly sets the mood, while auto-dimming keeps nights calm and glare-free. Dual alarms and built-in timers support better habits without constant phone checks. While mounted or on a desk, it blends practicality with personality, adding structure to busy days and relaxed evenings. It's especially helpful in shared spaces where visibility and quiet operation matter. Priced at $25.49, fits effortlessly into everyday life. Moving from everyday home comfort to life on the move, this European travel plug fits perfectly into a modern, always connected lifestyle. Whether you're hopping between countries for business, studying abroad, or enjoying a long-awaited vacation, it keeps all your essential devices powered without clutter. The built-in retractable USB-C cable means fewer cords to pack, while fast charging saves valuable downtime in hotels or airports. Its compact design slips easily into a carry-on, making travel feel lighter and more organized. If staying charged wherever you land matters, priced at $26.99, makes global charging feel effortless. After long days on your feet or outdoor adventures that leave footwear soaked, portable shoe dryers become a simple comfort you didn't know you needed. They quietly circulate warm air to dry boots and shoes overnight, helping them feel fresh and ready by morning without damaging materials. Perfect for winter commutes, rainy seasons, or travel, the compact design fits easily in luggage or even works from your car. Instead of slipping into damp shoes again, this tool helps maintain comfort, hygiene, and confidence day after day. At just $39.28, it quietly earns its place in your daily routine. Shifting from practical gadgets to expressive tech, the Divoom Timesgate adds personality to any desk or gaming setup. More than a clock, it becomes a dynamic dashboard that keeps you updated while showcasing creative pixel art that matches your mood or workspace vibe. App Control makes customization effortless, whether you're working, gaming, or unwinding. The limited yellow edition adds a bold, futuristic touch that instantly stands out without overpowering the room. If you enjoy blending function with visual flair, this piece feels both useful and inspiring. Coming in at $116.99, it turns everyday time checking into an experience worth enjoying daily. Transitioning from lifestyle tech into responsible home organization, this biometric fingerprint safe focuses on keeping important items secure and neatly managed. Designed for shared spaces like bedrooms or home offices, it blends discreet protection with everyday convenience, including a smart clock display and wireless charging that reduces surface clutter. Quick access options mean authorized adults can reach stored items smoothly, even in low light, while alarms and solid construction add peace of mind. Rather than feeling bulky or industrial, it fits naturally into modern furniture setups. For households prioritizing organized security and smart features, priced at $169.99, it supports calm, confident living at home. Moving beyond indoor organization into outdoor awareness, this driveway alarm quietly supports a safer, more relaxed home routine. It alerts you the moment someone or a vehicle enters your space, whether you're inside working, relaxing with family, or asleep at night. The long wireless range makes it ideal for larger properties, while adjustable sensitivity helps reduce unnecessary alerts. Setup is simple, so protection feels approachable rather than technical. From monitoring deliveries to adding confidence when living off the main road, it blends seamlessly into everyday life without constant attention. At $42.99, adds peace of mind daily. Shifting from security and monitoring tools to hands-on creativity, this mini drill pen feels made for makers who enjoy precision without bulky equipment. Its pen-style design sits comfortably in your hand, making detailed jewelry work, light repairs, and DIY projects feel more controlled and enjoyable. Adjustable speeds and built-in lighting help you stay accurate, even with delicate materials, while the compact storage case keeps everything organized and portable. Whether you're crafting at a desk or working on the go, it encourages creativity without setup stress. Thoughtfully designed for flexibility and ease, priced at $48.97 into everyday creative routines smoothly. Moving from creative tools into everyday kitchen comfort, this automatic can opener makes meal prep feel calmer and more accessible. With one-touch operation, it frees your hands while smoothly opening cans without sharp edges, which is especially helpful during busy cooking moments or when grip strength is limited. Its quiet motor and rechargeable design keep countertops clutter-free, while wall mounting saves drawer space. Whether you're preparing quick dinners, stocking pantry staples, or cooking with family, it removes a small but constant frustration. Designed to simplify daily routines without fuss, priced at $42.99 for everyday kitchen ease daily. Moving from everyday convenience into hands-on home improvement, this woodworking contour gauge brings confidence to projects that demand accuracy. Whether you're fitting flooring around corners, cutting tile, or working on detailed trim, it captures complex shapes in seconds, saving time and reducing mistakes. The connectable design is especially useful for wider surfaces, making larger jobs feel far more manageable. Clear markings and a locking feature let you measure once and cut with assurance, even if you're not a professional. It's the kind of tool that quietly upgrades your DIY experience and makes projects more enjoyable. Available at $39.99 for smarter, stress-free project results. Transitioning from hands-on projects into everyday preparedness, these rechargeable flashlights fit naturally into both home routines and outdoor plans. Their powerful beam is reassuring during power outages, late night walks, or camping trips, while multiple light modes adapt easily to changing situations. The adjustable focus lets you scan wide areas or concentrate on distant details, and the durable, waterproof build means they're ready when conditions aren't ideal. Having a reliable light within reach adds a quiet sense of confidence without extra effort. For homes that value readiness and versatility, priced at $19.99, they're dependable companions anytime you need them. Moving from larger tools into pocket-sized practicality, these multi-tool pens bring everyday readiness into simple moments. They slip easily into a pocket, desk drawer, or glove box, yet prove surprisingly useful when small fixes pop up at work, home, or on the go. From tightening a loose screw to measuring, leveling, or opening a bottle, everything you need is right at hand without searching for a toolbox. The built-in LED and stylus add extra convenience for modern routines, blending classic utility with tech-friendly design. They're thoughtful gifts, but also tools you'll reach for often, priced at $19.99 for everyday carry convenience. Transitioning from pocket-sized tools into everyday comfort and entertainment, this cell phone stand with a built-in Bluetooth speaker fits effortlessly into modern routines. It keeps your phone upright for video calls, gaming, or watching shows while filling the room with clear, balanced sound. Adjustable angles make long viewing sessions more comfortable, and the detachable design means it travels easily from desk to kitchen to outdoor hangouts. Added white noise modes help with focus or winding down at night, turning simple screen time into a calmer experience. Whether used at home or shared as a thoughtful gift, it blends convenience and relaxation naturally at $29.98 for relaxed everyday entertainment use. Shifting from everyday desk gadgets to hands-on problem solving, this magnetic pickup tool is one of those small helpers that quickly proves its value. It's perfect for garages, workshops, or quick fixes around the house when screws or bolts slip into hard-to-reach spaces. The telescoping design and flexible neck make awkward angles easier to manage, while the built-in LED light saves time searching in dark corners. Compact enough to live in a toolbox or drawer, it's always ready without taking space. It also makes a thoughtful, Practical gift for anyone who enjoys being prepared. Available at $14.99 for everyday fixes around home. Shifting from everyday gadgets into true experience-driven innovation, the Chino Printer Go brings creativity straight to the cup. Designed for cafes, events, hotels, and even influencers, it transforms ordinary drinks into memorable moments by printing images, logos, or messages directly onto phone. Using it feels effortless. Scan, upload, and watch personalized art appear in seconds. It's not just about visuals, it sparks conversations, boosts brand identity, and turns simple coffee breaks into share-worthy experiences. Compact and portable, it fits naturally into busy service environments without slowing workflow. If you enjoy standing out and creating moments people remember, this is a playful, modern way to elevate drinks and delight customers every single day. Moving from single-purpose gadgets into fully integrated living, this smart coffee table redefines how a modern space functions. It quietly supports relaxed evenings, game nights, and entertaining by keeping drinks chilled, devices charged, and music flowing without leaving the couch. The built-in fridge reduces kitchen trips, while wireless charging and power ports keep everyone connected. Bluetooth speakers and ambient lighting subtly elevate the mood, whether you're hosting friends or winding down solo. Designed to look sleek while working hard behind the scenes, it turns the living room into a true comfort hub. For homes that value convenience blended with style, at $899, it becomes the centerpiece of smarter, everyday living. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more great home, kitchen, and smart gadgets finds. Give this video thumbs up and share your thought in the comments section below.